In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Actions to automate tests and Slack notifications. This setup is a practical way to get fast feedback whenever code is pushed or a pull request is opened. GitHub Actions can automatically run your test suite, and Slack can immediately receive a message showing whether the pipeline passed or failed. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions in both GitHub and Slack, since you'll need access to repository secrets and the ability to create an incoming webhook. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API portal. From there, create a new app and choose the option to build it from scratch. Give the app a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Then choose the Slack workspace where you want alerts to appear. After that, create the app. Once the app is ready, use the left side menu to open the incoming webhook section. Turn incoming webhooks on, then scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. You'll be asked to select the Slack channel where test updates should be posted. Pick the channel you want, approve the request, and then copy the webhook URL that Slack generates. This URL is sensitive, so it should never be placed directly into your workflow file. Next, move over to your GitHub repository. Open the repository settings, then go to Secrets and Variables and choose Actions. Create a new repository secret. Use Slack webhook URL as the secret name and paste in the webhook URL you copied from Slack. Save it so GitHub can securely use it during workflow runs without exposing the value in your codebase. Now, in the root of your local repository, create the hidden folder path.github/workflows if it doesn't already exist. Inside that folder, create a file named test and notify.yml. This is where the automation workflow will live. Open that YAML file and add your workflow configuration. Set the workflow name, then define triggers so it runs on pushes to the main branch and on pull requests targeting main. Under jobs, create a job called Run Tests that uses Ubuntu latest as the runner. Inside the steps section, first check out the code with the checkout action, then set up Node.js using version 20. After that, install dependencies with npm CI, which is ideal for consistent installs in CI environments. Next, run your automated tests with npm test. After the test step, add a Slack notification step that runs only on success using the Slack GitHub action and the secret webhook URL. Then add another notification step that runs only on failure. Each message should include useful context like the repository, branch, and commit so your team can quickly understand what happened. Once you commit and push this workflow file, GitHub Actions will start